Alright guys, and on so Noah's got the Noah has the Gill Cancer Walk, 9:24 p.m. We'll type live. We are live. 9:24 and 9:24. Grab a list. I'm running a video. Be quiet. Be quiet, please. Alright guys, sorry my kid's yelling at me. Alright, 20 entries at 250. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 9, that's good. We're going 9 times. Chris and Jake on the ends. Alright, here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice is a 9. Next click, top spot. Good luck. And 9. Congrats to Chris. Spot 13. You are the winner. Get in touch with Noah. He will get that to you. We are done. 9:25. Go back. We will type done. We are done. 9:25. 9:25. Here is verification and the timestamp.